the dada.
Yeah! Okay guys, so I'm gonna be making my baby some banana porridge, right? Because he really loves it. So I made him some cornmeal porridge the other day and he didn't really like that. He took a couple spoons, but when I made him the banana porridge, forget about it. Okay, yes. Banana. Say banana. Banana. Alright, so I'm gonna use these 2 green bananas, my cinnamon, just a little vanilla, coconut cream, and a little whole milk, and then I'm just gonna blend them in this blender right here. Okay, this is actually the Ninja, so I'm gonna blend them in the Ninja, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys right here. So I'm just gonna peel it off just like this. Can you guys see? I don't think so. Okay, so I'm just peeling it off just like this. Okay. Ugh. Yes, Papa, banana. Say banana. I don't want nothing to waste, so I'm just sticking this little piece from the skin right here. Alright. And I'm just gonna peel this one. Ethan, what's going on down there? Huh? Little chef? Little chef? These bananas are so tiny. Oh, tiny little bananas. I should actually get more. But this will have to do for now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut them up just like this. Oh no, I wish I had more banana. Well, anyways, for him and a little for me. So I'm just gonna add this this whole milk, this organic whole milk, and I'm just gonna add just a little bit, a little more. Let's use all of it. I hope it's not gonna be too watery. But once that is done, I'm just gonna put the lid on, right? Put the top on. Okay guys, so listen here now. So this is the consistency of the porridge, and this is not the consistency that we need. We need it, bless you baby, bless you, we need it to be a little thicker. So I was about to be bummed, but guess what, green plantain saved the day. Green plantain saves the day. Okay, okay guys, you see the difference now? You see what we're talking about now? Look at that. Yes ma'am, yes sir. Deliciousness, deliciousness. Mmm. 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 Papa. Mmm. Here we go. Mmm. 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 Right? Mmm. He love it, right? Okay, guys. So as you can see, he loves his banana porridge, licking fingers, gonna grab the spoon. So yes, it's his favorite. Okay, so yeah, if you have your kids, give your babies some banana porridge. Okay, I guarantee they'll love it. All right.
Come here. Come here. Ah, look at her, you see?
Yay!
Come to Dada.
Yeah!
You got that?
Oh yeah,
You
I
got
did.
that?
I did.
3 steps.
Who's a big boy? Yay! Yay! Oh my God!
Good job, bro. My perm coming out.
My perm out. That's what in my perm out. Oh my God, this is so nice. Look at this. Oh, look where we at. See, this is.
I just said that, okay?
Oh. Hi. Oh my God, what if these things this can cave and we drop down? Oh my God.
I have to learn how to swim.
Oh my God. Okay, lovelies, if you have reached this far in this video, this is only a friendly reminder reminding you guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Yes, guys, please hit that subscribe button if you are not yet a part of the Miss Kimmy K family. Hit that subscribe button. Come on and join the family. And also show your girls some love by hitting that like button. Thumbs up this video and also share this channel with your friends and family. And please feel free to drop a comment down below. Ethan, hello? Excuse me, you're enjoying your little bath? This is oh, you enjoying your bath?
Always having a lot of fun.
Yeah, you there splashing up and thing.
Yeah, I never splash that much. It's like he's swimming.
Yeah. Okay, Ethan.
Damn, Papa.
You having fun? Huh? Yeah, you having fun with your little fishies, huh? Oh my goodness. Jeez, you splashing like you at the beach. Ethan, are you ready for bed? Are you ready for bed? I guess that's a yes. Oh, Papa. Are you excited for bed? Are you ready for bed? It's bedtime. Come. Okay, so tonight's read is Curious George. Okay, guys, so gonna put him to bed, and yes, that's the day for him. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, say bye, Papa. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another one. Thank you guys for staying till the end. Love you guys, and I see you guys in the next one.